What's happening, everybody? It's your favorite baseball card host, Jason from Jason Opens Cards. Today's pack is a 1988 Fleer. Do you guys remember 88? It's 1988. I sometimes do. Depends on the day. All right, we start with the dual stickers here. Steve Bedrosian, Cecil Fielder, Bill Wegman, Mike John Smiley, yet he's not smiling. Dan Gladden. Andre Dawson. Nice. Roberto Kelly. Tom Henke. Ricky Horton. Oh, these don't want to slide. Ellis Burks. These guys. Dave Henderson. And Al with the wax. Quick shot of the back. There you go, guys. Thanks for hanging. Let's do it again tomorrow. But something different, of course. See you then.